How to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Google Drive. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can recover permanently deleted files and folders in your Google Drive. Once the files or folders are permanently deleted from your Google Drive, recovery is generally not possible. So here's are a few methods that you can retrieve deleted item. First of all, you have to navigate to your Google Store. Google Drive. And here you have to locate the file that are deleted or removed to the trash folder and not permanently deleted. So here you have to just go for that. And if you have just deleted this file here, you have to just go for the home option and tap on the three dot or three hamburger here. And so here you have to just go and tap on the three hamburger option, which is on the top left corner of the screen, and go for the trash option. And you will find the trash option here. So if you find them, you can right click on the folder and you can restore or recover them back. So this way you can easily recover your deleted files and folder in your Google Drive. If none of this step work, you can contact to the Google support for guidelines. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.